Hey, Jooba people, welcome to my new studio. I'm here at home, and it's so nice to see you again. So this song, I'm gonna go ahead and play it for you in a second. Before I do that, I just want to tell you about our private lessons. We're running a promotion at the moment, so if you want to take private lessons from me, you can get $25 off your first month of taking lessons. So if you want to do that, go to joobamusic.com. Joobamusic.com. Okay. Then let's get into the lesson. So obviously the lesson doesn't have guitar in, and it's just got these lush big chords that they make with the vocals, with the King Band and Jacob Collier, who's amazing with harmonies in that. And then they've got this vocoder, I think, that they're playing as well. So it makes this very big lush chords. And I've tried to imitate it as best as I could on guitar. So for the intro, let me just play I'll just play the first section for you. So I chose this. And then... And then when we start singing, we go, boys, boys don't keep it all inside. I tried to hide underneath. Still my heart starts to beat. My human heart only got a human heart. I wish it doesn't run away. I wish it doesn't fall apart. Oh, my human heart. Night and day, light and dark. Can it ever be torn apart? Only got a human heart. I'll just play the whole thing so that you guys can, for those who learn quickly. I've got the chord shapes here at the top, which we're going to go through in a second. So stay tuned for that. Girls can make believe. Girls wear it on their sleeve. Thought I could pretend for trying sake, but still my heart. Such a beautiful song. Really fun to play, and once you get into it, it's really fun. Okay, but before we get too carried away, let's start with the chords, and let me just quickly take you through all the shapes. Okay, so we've got this for the intro: E major 9, 7th fret, because that's the high melody that they're singing, and I'm just. A major 7, 7th fret. And then once you start with the song, you go to a normal E. Boys. And then you can move this E up 2 frets for F sharp minor. Or you could do boys, boys, or you could do boys. Okay, so those are your options: E, F sharp slash E. So this is an F sharp with the E in the bass, and this is an F sharp with the E in the bass. So whatever you really like, you could do once. You could do this. And then the A major 6 is like this. Boys. Okay, and then we have this A/C# chord at the 9th fret. Boys, keep it all inside. Isn't that beautiful? Side. You could do that one as well, but I like this one more. Side. And then we've got a B chord. Now there's a couple of things they use for B. They use this shape. Now this shape you can do at the 5th fret for A, or you could do a B like that. And this is like actually a B add 11 chord, but I'm just chose to call it B for simplicity's sake. And then sometimes you can use this B sus4. Okay, so once we're done with all the chords, then we'll go to the... And then the D5, you could use this D, which is like... Actually, this is a D sus2, but if you mute that string, it's a D5. I'm not sure if it's a D sus2 or a D5 in the original that they're singing, the notes come together. Okay, this is another shape for E, but I'm not going to get into that. E/G sharp is this shape here, and just remember to mute the 5th string. And then we've got this same shape is used at the 9th fret to play a B/D sharp. Okay. Alrighty, so C sharp minor, gonna be at the 9th fret, mute the 5th string. Okay, time for a T break. Okay, we've got this F sharp minor E. We did that one. The C diminished that they did in the 2nd verse. No open strings here, please. Then a C sharp minor after the C diminished. So you could also do that, but I like. Okay, you could also do a G sharp 7th if you're uncomfortable with the C diminished. G sharp 7th and C diminished have kind of the same. Same kind of vibe to them. Okay, so let's quickly play through the song just slowly. I'm gonna do different versions of the chords, so you kind of get the idea. And we're gonna play through all the parts. Okay, here we go. Intro. I'm just going to do with a little bit of a strum. Keep it all inside. I try to hide underneath. Still my heart starts to beat. My human heart only got a human heart. I wish it didn't run away. So this A6 I sometimes play with the middle finger here. I wish it didn't fall apart. You could use this D major 7 actually. My human heart, night and day, light and dark. Any day could be told apart. Only got a human heart. Yours can make me. but try and say, still my heart still yet to break. Sweet. Jooba people, I hope that helped you. Keep making music, keep creating stuff, keep doing something. Don't watch these tutorials without a guitar. You know who you are. It rhymed. Okay, so it's a pretty fun sound. Cheers.